Hello and good morning po sa ating lahat mga kabady. So ito is another Sunday morning biking exercise na naman. At ngayon pang ruta po namin ni Dr. Elder Edida Pogi Villar ay sa may parang tiplak lang siguro ng Bagyo Nueva Vizcaya. Tapos kung may lakas pang tuhod ay lulusong kami tapos pupunta po ng bahay po ng Bagyo Nueva Vizcaya. Ayan o, wapong nga po si Dr. Elder Edida Pogi Villar ngayon kasi ayan, naka 7-Eleven jersey na po siya. Kasi talagang iniidolo niya raw si Marcelo Pilepe na dating 7-Eleven ngayon ay na siya Victoria's Sport, pero si Mervin Corpus ngayon ang 7-Eleven, so ngayon siya siguro ang kanyang iniidolo. Ayan, ayos. So samahan niyo po sana kami mga kabady, kaya ano pang hinihintay niyo? Let's go. Sana po nang ako nandito po sa may elementary school po ng Masok. Bilis ni Dr. Elder Edida Pogi Villar. Lakas. Ayan. Oh, si Allen o. Oh, ano.
Okay, Nico.
Oh. Chamba na naman kasi nakasabay na naman namin ang isa po sa mga leading mamo po ng Nueva Vizcaya, si Sir Tony. Sir!
Good morning.
Inahabol niya si Dr. Elder Edida Pogi Villar.
Crawled from the ashes of shame and the fire. They fed me with doubt, but I answered with wire. My skin turned to iron, my veins into chains. I learned how to dance in the eye of the pain. They buried my name in the wreckage of time. I tore through the dark with the edge of my spine. You called me a ghost, I returned as a storm. I shattered the silence and broke every form. You spit on my name, I ignite in the dirt. You laugh at the scars, but you never felt hurt. I stood in the flood where the cowards all ran. Now fear hears my footsteps and knows who I am. You measure my worth with your hollow sight, but you never stood in the mouth of the fight. You call it decay, I call it my throne. You fear what awakens when flesh turns to bone. I walk through shadows wearing your blame, turned every wound into my flame. You said my time was long gone dead, but I am the storm you never buried yet. Every wrinkle is wisdom earned, every heartbeat a lesson burned. You chase the shine that fades too fast. I was built. Panunuteman, di ka pagintutungan. To'y agayat, agrugnoy tayamam. Hating in the distance, but your shadow never sleeps. I'm running through the silence where your voice still speaks. Every step is heavy, but I follow where it leads. Holding on to memories that cut me when they bleed. Searching through the echoes, I still feel what I can see. Your name is like a whisper that's engraved inside of me. Trying to forget you, but the past won't let me hide. You're the reason that I'm breaking and the reason I survive. Sentiria kalipatan, tanasuri onay anagan, tauray sa dintiayan. Diso sa di tied to the silence, every word that went untold. I'm stuck in a battle that refuses to let go. Long roads in the nighttime, I'm still chasing what I knew. Fighting every moment just to find a way to you. Caught inside the memory where the truth begins to hide. Your name becomes a lifeline pulling deep from ocean tides. Even when you're distant, you're the fire in the cold. You're the reason that I'm burning and the one I can't control. I keep falling in the silence, still I'm reaching out to you. Every wound becomes a message, and it's calling, pulling through. All these shadows try to take me, but your memory breaks the night.
Ito po, nakaahon na po kami dito po sa may sitio na tuntog po ng Barangay Tiblang, ang Bagyo Nueva Vizcaya. Yung si Buddy ang lakas. Yan naman po siyang kartone. Napakalamig pang panahon ngayon dito kasi mahamog at makulimlim ang panahon. Ayan. Ayos na naman papawis ngayong araw ng linggo. Ayos. It's coffee time dito po sa tuktok po ng Barangay Tiblak. Ito po ay libre po ni Sir Paulets. Ayan na si Sir Kapadyak. So maraming salamat sa pabarako Sir Kapadyak. Ayan. So nadalhan po namin siya dito sa may tuktok po ng sitio na duntog. Yan o yung bike niya. Pang malakasan na bike. Ayos. Oh.
Ano eh?
Nag-regat ko pang sa ako. Delikado pang isulat.
Namuna. Namulawagan pa eh.
Okay na, platang kata sa ako. Darit chow. Ano ka namin pinda siya. Napuspus ko sa ako kayo sa talikod.
So ayan po mga kabale. Pagkatapos po ng ahonan po sa may Barangay Tiblak po ng Bagyo Nueva Vizcaya ay ito, patag naman. Papunta po dito po sa bypass po ng Bangbang Nueva Vizcaya. Ayan, so susubukan po namin ikotin po itong bypass kung tapos na ba o hindi pa. Kasi may mga nagsasabing tapos na raw po ito pero hindi pa po siya open para sa mga four wheels. Bawal daw pumasok kasi hindi pa po tapos siya. Kaya ito, dito na lang po kami dadaan sa may sentro po ng Bangbang.
Even here where hope is fragile, I still hold you through the fight. Every breath becomes a burden, every heartbeat whispers pain. But I follow through the darkness where your echo speaks my name. Break, break, bend, I won't fall again. Rise, rage, burn, this heart can't unlearn. You're the name I can't erase. You're the fire in my veins. Every scar still shouts your trace. I am breaking. Cut these chains. Pull me back into the light. Tear the darkness from my sight. Even lost, I stand and fight. Call your name with all my might. I won't fade. I won't fade. Through the storm, I'll feel right there.
Ayan, so ito na po yung makunan na ako nandito po sa may Barangay Magsaysay Hills po ng Bangbang Nueva Vizcaya. Yun.
Sentiria kalipatan tanah suri unay anagan tauray sa dintiayan diso sa dinoman no malagip ka pusok di mabangaran.
Ayan mga kabali, thanks God, nakarating din po kami dito sa may tuktok na bahagi po ng Barangay Magsaysay Hills. Sulit, kunat ng ahon. Ayan, dead end na po ng simentadong daan.
Sentiria kalipatan tanah suri unay anagan tauray sa dintiayan di so sa dinoman no malagip ka pusok di mapangaran.
Bale, stop over muna dito po sa may Santos Eatery and Pansitan po. Dito po sa may Batu Pere po. Ayan. So, karga muna bago tuluyan ng uwi. Mami po ang in-order po ni Dr. Eddie mga kabate. Kaya itong aming pong pangkarga para may lakas pa uwi. Ayos. There you go, mga kabate. Search for is in the house.
Crawled from the ashes of shame and the fire. They fed me with doubt, but I answered with wire. My skin turned to iron, my veins into chains. I learned how to dance in the eye of the pain. They buried my name in the wreckage of time. I tore through the dark with the edge of my spine. You called me a ghost, I returned as a storm. I shattered the silence and broke every form. You spit on my name, I ignite in the dirt. You laugh at the scars, but you never felt hurt. I stood in the flood where the cowards all ran.
So ayan po mga kabady, hanggang dito na lang po ang video ito. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong patuloy na panonood at sa inyong suporta. At sana po lagi po tayo mag-iingat sa araw-araw at higit sa lahat.